Hi, and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. I wanted to take a moment to share a little of life's updates with you all. As many of you know, life is always moving and changing, and so is Lavonne's Kitchen. I am actually in the process of moving, and that means something really exciting for this channel. My new place has a bigger kitchen, which means I'll have more room to cook, create, and bring even more delicious recipes. Lavonne's Kitchen has always been about cooking with love, sharing recipes, and bringing people together through food. And this new kitchen is gonna help me take you all to the next level. So if you see me a little busy packing boxes and getting things organized, just know that something even better is coming. I cannot wait to show you my new kitchen set up and start cooking in it. I'm definitely going to give you a tour of the new kitchen once everything is set up. We'll be cooking some amazing new recipes in the new space. So I just wanted to say thank you all for supporting Lavonne's Kitchen and being a part of this journey with me. So just wanted to remind you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you can, stay in the loop on what's going on in the kitchen, when we move, all of that. I'm going to still be doing videos in the meantime, but I just want you guys to stay in the loop. So hit that button and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.